Do you have sleep apnea and want help managing your symptoms? Here are 7 tips just for you. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. You should work to shred that extra fat. Weight loss can help decrease the amount of tissue in your throat that might contribute to airway obstruction. Weight loss has been found to reduce the severity of sleep apnea significantly. 2. Sleep position. Remember, sleep position matters. Sleeping on your back can increase the likelihood of airway obstruction. Try sleeping on your side to keep your airway open. Some people also use a body pillow or a specialized sleep position device to maintain side sleeping. 3. Elevate your head. Wedge pillow or adjustable bed may help elevate your head and upper body while sleeping. This can make breathing easier and reduce the severity of sleep apnea symptoms. 4. Establish a consistent sleep routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day can help regulate your body's internal clock and improve sleep quality. A consistent sleep routine may also reduce the likelihood of apnea events. 5. Avoid alcohol and sedatives before bed. Alcohol and sedatives can relax the muscles in your throat. That might potentially worsen your sleep apnea symptoms. Avoid these substances, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. 6. Quit smoking. Smoking irritates and inflames the airway, making it more prone to collapse during sleep. If you smoke, consider quitting to improve your overall respiratory health. 7. Use your CPAP machine consistently. If you've been prescribed a CPAP machine, use it consistently as directed by your healthcare provider. Proper and consistent use is essential for effective treatment and improved sleep quality. Follow these tips for better sleep, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Healthy Info.